It is now necessary to mention a few facts and hints concerning the installation of shell-type bearings. In order to create a proper seating of the bearing halves in their bore, the manufacturers design the shells to have a small overlap on each side. When the screws are tightened, the two shells are squeezed down firmly onto the bore surfaces, creating a radial pressure all around. This is an important feature. Never file down a bearing cap in order to improve the clearance. If the crush factor is in any way altered, the bearings will be severely damaged due to incorrect heat transfer or due to overstressing of the shell walls. Another important point is to ensure that any oil holes in the engine or machine's block are not covered due to the installation of wrong shells. Certain shells are plain, others have grooves and holes to permit a flow of oil. Be sure to install the correct shells. If in doubt, check the technical manual for the equipment being serviced. When assembling, make sure that the caps are refitted back onto the same position as when removed. Never swap caps. Refer to the identification markings on both cap and main support. They must match. Prior to final assembly, apply some clean oil to both the shaft and the shells. To complete this program, we would like to re-emphasize cleanliness. Take every precaution to work as cleanly as possible. The tools you use should also be spotless. Only use clean, non-fluffy rags for cleaning purposes. And make sure that no parts are allowed to contact dirt or dust on your workbench. That concludes this program on plain bearings. Complete the exercises set out in your workbook or those given by your instructor in order to gain experience with these parts.